Okay, this is a video I shouldn't really be doing. It's not really worth doing. But this is a controller for a hard drive. You plug in a external or internal hard drive, and I plugged in a high voltage earlier, which killed the MOSFET, I believe. So I'll show you what happens when we connect it to the power supply on the thermal camera. Plug it in, and these two lights come on. And under the thermal camera, we should see something reaching over 100 degrees. And have a look. Somewhere. Press the power button. There we go. That guy there. At least I think that's what it is. Let's have a look on the microscope, see if we can identify the component. Here we go. Yeah, it's got to be that big component. So let's put it into a little thingy so we can easily work on this thing. What do you mean what happened? Okay, wait. So that component there with 1 AM, I don't know what it is exactly, but I've got a MOSFET that I use for the Synology, which is to turn it on and off. And I think this may be something similar to that. Just an assumption. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, so there is a replacement. Okay, so now let's see what happens. Still get the same behavior. Same thing's happening there. Meaning there is a fault somewhere else. Is that diode good? Yeah. Maybe something wrong here. How about here? No short on the main 19 volt. No short there. How about here? Inductor there, it's fine. There. To ground. No. We get a better ground. Okay, so this side is ground. Yeah, that's so interesting. So we can't seem to find. Let me remove that component that I've put in. That means instead of the component that I've taken out is actually fine. How about now? Got that component and still get hot. Maybe. Let's have a look on the thermal camera. What's the voltage coming out of this power adapter? 12, which is fine, right? Okay, let's plug in the power here. Let's see what happens. Be right back. Okay, we got a power supply ready. Power on. No reaction. Yeah, we're not gonna get anything hot. Except this still gets hot. That's interesting, yeah. What happens if I connect an actual hard drive? Huh. The hard drive is working. It's actually spinning. You can hear it, so it looks like we've got that switch. That MOSFET. There's no on and off switch. Yeah. That is very amazing. So just to show you, plug that in. Voltage mode. We should read. Yeah, see 12 volts. Somewhere here, maybe 5 volts. No. 12, 12, ground, nothing, nothing. 5 volts, yeah. So this guy is now working. Okay, that's all I wanted to check. So that MOSFET, for whatever reason, is getting hot. We just don't have on and off switch. That's fine. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.